everyone, I thought I'd make this video on something very special. It's one of the machines that I've never thought I'd ever own, and it's pretty cool. And this is what I've got: a brand new 2001 Henry. And it's got the box. I'm just so happy. Now, it says 2002 and blue there, but you'll find out. So it says it's the colour blue and it's 2002, but we'll get onto that in a minute. But I never thought I'd get one of this. It's an old stock machine. Has been used a bag full, just for one bag. But I'm so happy that I got this. All of this stuff it didn't come with, it just came with the hose. All of this is off my machines and all that. But this is the stuff that it would have come with. So it would have come with these old tools, old style adapter, old style crevice tool. These ones I do like. It's had a bit of use. I've used this machine. This is actually off my George, and I haven't cleaned up ever since, so that's what's a bit mucky. And we've got the dusting brush again. I have used it. And here's the packaging for it. These did broke off. These were on it, but I snapped them off accidentally. It would have come with this head, but 2001 one wouldn't come with the single pedal. Would have come with the two pedal ones. This would have actually come with an early 2000 or 1999 UDS, but because it's a later UDS, it would have come with the two pedal one. They introduced that in about later 2000. We've got a pole again. It's not bashed up too much because it's been my George that I got brand new. Don't think you've seen that George actually. Didn't make a video on it, but yeah, it came with all the wet tools and all that, including that head. Head's pretty nice, even all the white bits on there. It's pretty cool. This all came with it as well. But yeah, nice bent end, not beaten up. It's okay, it's no scratches or dents. And then we've got another pole. This one's less bad. This is better condition. This is the original hose to the machine. So it would have come with this hose. It's a little bit dusty because of storage, but this is what it would have come with. All of this stuff. And if we get onto the main machine. Now it says blue, but I didn't see that bit in the image. I just saw that. Here it is. Quite nice. So yeah, it says from 2002, but on here it says 2001. So obviously they've had a different machine in the past. And it is a yellow UDS Henry. How cool is that? It's nice to have one in yellow. Yellow's quite a smart, nice colour. But I'm happy that I had this. I have used it. There's a story behind this as well. It's got its tag. Wheels are absolutely immaculate. I mean, it's had little use, but this is probably the mintest wheels that I've got. Switch is not faded, all that. I'm happy that I got this. It's all nice. It's got a bit of dirt in there because I have been using it. The thing is though, this is brand new, but sadly it did need a bit of repair. It had been stored in damp. I mean, it wasn't seized, but the damp got caught, you know, on the commutator and arced a little bit. Went really low pitch, like it sounded like it wanted to burn out. Here's the inside spit used. I have put flow in it. Do have the original paper bag that I did come with. This is not its original filter. This is actually off my other 2001 Henry, you know, with the crumbly bearings. It's because in this one, the actual original filter to this, it washed up like new. But the unfortunate thing is, you know, this plastic kit just bent like that all the way around. So I thought I'd just swap it out. A bit of carbon dust there, but otherwise, this is pretty clean as well. But you know, it would be nice to have the original filter. It's just I'm one of them people that don't like it. And under here, it's all nice and clean, as a brand new machine should. Motor's working properly now. It was just arcing and just needed sand. But brushes are okay, and the commutator's fine now. Just needed a good old sand, and that sorted it. But there's not even a speck of dust in there. It was a bit, no dust here, but it was quite dusty under there, and the filter was quite dirty, and in there was dirty, because even those paper bags, I think it's leaked or something. But and it was used on site. It's an ex-site machine. Even the plug's not beaten up. It's all nice. The tags were all nice as well. But what I'll do is set it up for use. This, obviously I'm going to keep this for life. You know how obsessed I am with VDS. Yeah, it does run very nicely. Let's just put all the packaging in there. Put all that in there. And put that away. So yeah, even this hose, it's not scuffed up or all that. Cuffs a little bit, but who gives a crap? Just put it down for 1 second so I can set it all up. This is a really nice machine, and it runs really smooth. I did have my first ever UDS. I think you got seen it in parts of it. I think in the H13-22 videos that I made. That was quite mint and had a lovely motor running fine. I did sell it, which I really do regret. It's a red one from 2002 with the barcode, because these old ones don't. They made it late 2002, like this one, because this one has a barcode, but this one don't. Let's shove all these tools in there. The George even came with the warranty and everything. Just sadly though, the George actual thing, all the, you know, if I turn it upside down, you know the wheel, these yellow bits, like where the wheel sits on, they had all snapped off. But it's one of them things, I guess. But anyway, I'll run it for you. Right, let's get this up. Did take some time to fix this. That's why I have been using it a bit, just to see if running it would help, and it does run very nicely. Really strong suction. Runs absolutely beautiful, that. Sounds brand new as well, you could tell from the bearings. I do need to oil, because oiling them up makes them quite, you know, that squeaky bit, and the brand new bearings, not smell noise that you heard, quietens them down. That I've learned in my experience. But I don't think I'll touch it though. This machine's good as it is. But this is definitely louder than my red 2001 Henry. That one's a lot more quiet and has a lot more power, and it's more high pitch. Don't know why that one's more high pitch. That one's I cleaned the fans out on it and everything. Just stripped it, cleaned it, you know, all that crap that you usually do. But nothing making a difference. I kind of prefer it that way though, because it gives it more power. Because ideally, when it's more high pitched, it gives more power, unless it's just ram packed full of dust. But this one's alright. This one's absolutely perfect. This, no grumbly bearings, no nothing. Sad part is it did need a bit of repair, but it's one of them things, I suppose. But anyway, thanks for watching.